Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to change your voice on Discord Mobile. So first of all, open up your App Store or Google Play Store depending on what kind of mobile device you have. Then search for the voice mode application right over here. This one, voice mode by voice mode. Install it onto your phone. Okay, now basically you open up this application. You need to search for a certain voice replacer, and then after that go into your settings in Discord, scroll down until you see the voice section in the settings, and in here in the settings or in the call itself, where you can choose the phone speaker, your headphones or earphones, you just choose a voice input source which will correspond to our application that we have downloaded. So in Discord, choose the voice mode sound source and you will be good to go. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If this helped, subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.